At Pedro Gil, we don't just deliver world-class blowers and vacuum solutions. We ensure they keep performing at their best throughout their whole life cycle. To show our dedication to providing the best-class support, we're introducing a new after-sales service department to support you every step of the way.
Pedro Gil ahora dispone de un nuevo departamento de servicio postventa que garantiza un servicio de calidad y confianza.
That's why we've developed a new range of after-sales solutions, designed to give you peace of mind for both your existing equipment and new installations. From modular service contracts to tailored service plans, we've got you covered.
Nuestras soluciones de mantenimiento abarcan todas las tecnologías: soplantes de lóbulos, turbosoplantes, compresores de tornillo y bombas de vacío. Garantizamos que sus máquinas funcionen al máximo rendimiento.
PG Predict uses advanced diagnostics to detect issues before they happen, from vibration monitoring to thermography and oil analysis. Our plans help you prevent costly downtime and extend equipment life. With PG Parts, we help you maximize uptime with the right parts exactly when you need them, on a predictable budget. Protect your assets and secure long-term reliability. With PG Overhaul, you'll never wait for critical parts. We guarantee fast replacement units, repair discounts and smooth upgrades to the latest technology, minimizing downtime and keeping your operations running. PG Protect combines all essential services for your machine: scheduled maintenance, advanced diagnostics, genuine spare parts, high-performance lubricants and certified technical support. PG Adapt gives you the freedom to shape a maintenance agreement around your unique operations. By combining selected elements from across our service portfolio, it creates a fully tailored support model, built to match your equipment, your priorities and your performance goals. Our process is simple and efficient, from planning and scheduling the maintenance together with the customer to execution and optimization. Be it in our specialized workshop or the new on-site field service. Either way, our expert help is always within reach. The field service team gives us the flexibility to meet customers on their terms. Some tasks are best handled in our workshop, but many can now be done right on site, saving time and ensuring that support is always within reach. As a result, you reduce downtime, extend equipment life and optimize performance.
Una de las razones por las que llevamos en el mercado más de 130 años es el compromiso de que podrás contar con nosotros cuando tengas dificultades. Si tuviese que resumir la filosofía del equipo postventa Pedro Gil en una única palabra, sería muy simple: confianza.
Pedro Gil, your partner beyond installation. Contact us today to learn more about our after-sales solutions.